In this video, I will show you how to schedule a road test online in New Jersey. Start by opening your web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission and press Enter. Click on the first website that appears. This will be the official website of the New Jersey government. Once the web page loads, go to the top and click on the Make Appointment button. A drop-down menu will appear. From the list of options, click on Road Test. This will open a new web page. Wait for it to load. Now you will see a blue Make Appointment button. Click on it. A list of options will appear. Look for Road Knowledge Testing Services and click on it. A drop-down menu will open. Here, select Auto Road Test. Next, you will see a list of available appointment locations along with details like dates and times. Scroll through the list and find a location that works for you. Once you have chosen a location, select a date on the calendar that suits you best. Then, choose from any of the available time slots. After selecting a date and time, you will need to enter your information. Start by filling in your first and last name. Then, enter your email and phone number. Next, select your permit class and enter your driver's license number. Finally, enter your permit validation number. If you are unsure where to find your driver's license number, click on the small question mark icon next to the field. A guide will appear, showing you where to locate it. You can also find a guide for the permit validation number below that section. Once all your information is entered correctly, check the two agreement boxes. Now, click the Submit button to complete your appointment booking. That's it. You have now successfully scheduled your road test in New Jersey.